How to fix any bugs or glitches with the Rail Madad application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps of troubleshooting the Rail Madad application in your Android devices. So if your Rail Madad application is developing or showing some glitches or issues, then what you can do is first try to reboot your device and it might solve your issue. And if that does not solve your issue, what you can do is simply tap and hold on to this application icon and click onto the app info. Then once you will do this, it will open your system settings of applications, and under the Rail Madad application you will need to select the storage usage. Then under storage usage, simply click onto this clear cache option, and hopefully it will solve your issue the next time you start the app. Even if that does not solve your issue, what you can do is simply click onto this force stop button and then again click on force stop and again start a new instance of the application, and hopefully this will clear out all of the processes and your issue might be resolved. Apart from that, if you think the issue is still persistent, you can again try to uninstall the application and install it again. So reinstalling the application might be helpful in this case. And even if you think the glitch is there, you can search it on online, and if other users have also reported it, then it might be a glitch from the application side, and Indian Railways will be taking care of the same. So these are some of the few troubleshooting methods to recover the Rail Madad application or make it bugs or glitches free. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.